Hello everybody! Today we have exciting news wait, before we tell you, please give it a big thumbs up to see what we think what we got, and please subscribe, it helps a lot. So let's tell you now. Drum roll please. Birds! We got birds.
Birds.
Two birds, one for me and
two,
one for Zuhair.
Our two parrots died a long time ago.
Okay, you don't need to say
And
that. Okay. Okay, you guys. We're gonna show you now. We're back and this is mine. This is my brother's. I named mine Lemon and my brother named his Mr. Musa. Okay now. Okay everybody. Now we're going to show you all our pets. This is the first one. Two fishies. There were four and they both died. And now we have two left. Waiting. Okay, next we have a doggo named Bun Bun Bunny Fun Fun. And I can't show you him right now because he's asleep. So here's a picture. Okay, next one is the fish. Not fishes. Next one is the birdies. Sorry, they're tweeting a lot, so we can't show you. Here's a picture. Hope you like this video. Please give a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot. Thanks. Bye.